Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I know it's been a long time waiting just for me to get back into everything, but I had the chance to make a couple of things, so I just wanted to share with you guys because I did just list them in my Etsy shop, so they are available. But I made some tassel charms, and I also have some rolled flower sets, which I'm going to show you guys everything. So I wanted to show you guys these before I package them up into their clear packaging, and then it's like harder to see everything. So let me show you guys all of the Valentine's Day tassel charms I made. They look so cute on the sides of albums, and I also made a couple of St. Patrick's Day themed ones. So this one here is called Cupid. It's got these this heart bead on top with like pink and red hearts. You've got this beautiful like a rhinestone faceted bead, and then like this darker, deeper red. And then the seam binding is pink, like a deep red and a white. And in case you guys want to make your own, my seam binding is from my scrap cabin shop. Beads are from literally all over the place. Like I don't know where they're from. Yeah, I have no clue. Some from Etsy, some from that I got in Happy Mail. Some, I think there's like some kind of bead website. I don't know what it's called. Bead craft something. I think that I've ordered from them. I'm not sure. That's what's coming to mind, but I'm not sure. So in case you guys want to check it out, you could do that. But I have these tassel charms ready to go. And they do have a lobster clasp on here, so you could attach it to like the spine of an album. You could attach it to a planner or a keychain. I love the way they look on albums, so that's what mainly I have used them for, and I've seen others use them for when they purchased from me, but they're just cute for whatever. So this one is called Cupid. Then I also have this one called Love All Around. Like, look at that heart bead in the center. So cute. Oh, I also forgot. Some are also from AliExpress for the beads. So this one's got like this pearl one. Oh, and some from Hobby Lobby. There we go. We just keep thinking some now. So I got this pearl thing here, and I have all my bead spacers in between. But this pearl bead on top. I've got this pink heart. And then this one is another one with just like little pink hearts. And then the seam binding here is a darker pink, a lighter pink, and a white. They're so pretty, guys. I love it. So this one is called the Love All Around. I've also got another one like that, but in red. And this one is called Love Potion. So you've got a white bead on top, the red heart, and then you've got the striped one. And then for the seam binding, this one's got a white, like a red, and then like a deeper red. So that's what that one looks like, Love Potion. Then I have this one called Irish Grove, and again they also have oh my gosh, and again they all have the lobster clasp and the spaces in between. So this one's got like this interesting like green one on top. It's like see-through but not see-through. Like you can't actually see through it, but it kind of looks like it would be see-through. You've got like this gingham, black and white, and then this green faceted bead. And then you've got seam binding in like a lighter green, deeper, darker green, and black. So that's Irish Grove. Then this next one is called Hugs and Kisses. This one's got a pink on top, this like white holographic faceted bead, and XOs, so Hugs and Kisses. And this one's got a darker pink, a lighter pink, and a white. A little different, I think, than this one. I think this one's got more like a darker pink. I mean, similar. These are similar. The Love All Around and the Hugs and Kisses, but they do have the different beads. Like this one actually has the XOs. Then I have this one called Be My Valentine, and this one's got the white bead with the pink hearts, the pearl one, and the striped one. And you've got like a deeper red, lighter pink, and a medium kind of pink. This one doesn't have any white seam binding. They're all like shades of pink. So that is Be My Valentine. So that is everything that I have for my current beaded tassel charms available in my Etsy shop. And now let me show you guys the flowers, the rolled flower sets that I made. And for those of you guys that don't know, I have been in the process of moving, which is why I've been like MIA as I'm setting up my new craft room. Oh my gosh, guys, it is looking beautiful and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been doing a lot of like sneak peeks, not even like sneak peeks, but just kind of like taking you along with what I'm changing and what I'm adding kind of things. And I have a craft room highlight on my Instagram. So I'm at KarolinasKrafts on Instagram if you guys want to check that out. But I will be doing a full craft room tour as soon as everything is completely done. So that will be coming. And then I'm also destashing some goodies as well. So destash videos will be coming as well. But I haven't decided how I'm going to do it. I might list them on Etsy. I might not. They might be mystery boxes. They might not. I haven't decided, but there will be some destash things coming soon. So I have some rolled flower sets. As I'm on the train, I just get to roll some flowers. So I cut them ahead of time. This one is, I think, letter A. I mean, you guys don't see the letters. I see the letters for packaging purposes. So, but this one's shades of purples and like a deeper, like a magenta color. So that's that one. I also have this one, which is very similar, but this one's got, I think, a little bit more magenta, but they're very similar. I did take separate photos though on Etsy. So they're all listed separately in case you want one over the other for whatever reason. So that's that. This one's pinks, like magentas, purples, and some very light blues. So I've got that one. How fun are these? I love adding these to albums and projects. They just look so pretty. I've got this one. This is greens and blues. And so is this one. And this one's got like some kind of like yellow greens in here as well. So there's that one. This one's like a Valentine's Day one. And there's actually 30 flowers in here as opposed to 25 in the other ones. But I do think some of these are just smaller in general. So I made those. I've got this one with like a peachy kind of color and then like a yellowy kind of color. It's kind of like a mustard, but it also has like a little hint of like green in it. So there's that one. Pinks, peaches, and like a mustardy yellow green. Then this one is like all peachy colors. So you just got to pick out whichever one you want from my Etsy shop if you guys want some. And then this one's got like pinks, peaches, and a little bit of purple. So then there's that as well. So that is all that I have for now for my Etsy shop. I will be working on sequin mixes. I just don't know when I'm going to get them done, but like I want to make a whole bunch because I realize as I'm organizing, I have way more sequins than I want to have. I thought I only had like 2 bins of sequins and now it's kind of like 3.5. It's crazy, guys. I want to get down to 1 bin of sequins. So I got to be working on some sequin mixes next as well, but here's what I was able to do so far. You guys could check out my Etsy shop down below. It's also etsy.com/shop/KarolinasKrafts, but the exact link will be down below for the flowers and the beaded tassel charms. And that is everything I have for now. So I hope you guys are doing well and stay tuned for my next crafty video. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.